Hello everyone, let's talk about thinking today. Thinking is a complex mental activity. Thinking or cognition refers to the mental activity that goes in the brain when a person is organizing, attempting to understand information, and communicating information to others. According to Garrett, thinking is an implicit or hidden behavior involving symbols such as ideas, concepts, and images, etc. According to Gilmer, thinking is a problem solving process in which we use ideas or symbols in place of overt activity. Most of the psychologists take a broad and scientific approach for thinking. For them, thinking is the manipulation of mental representation of information. The representation may be a word, a visual image, a sound, or data in any other form. What thinking does is to transform the representation of information into a new and different form for the purpose of answering a question, solving a problem, or aiding in reaching a goal. Thinking may be defined as a pattern of behavior in which we make use of internal representation of things and events for solution of some specific purposeful problem. Mechanics of thinking. Over the years, there has been much speculation and some controversy over the mechanics of thinking, especially in regard to the physical processes involved. Some of the mechanics of thinking are role of brain and cybernetics. Now, let's understand the role of brain. Man has long summarized that brain is the organ of thought. An important breakthrough in the advance towards an understanding of how brain functions was explained by a German neurologist. He demonstrated that central nervous system is not a passive telephonic system, but is a continuous active electrical system. Following his lead, other psychologists and neurologists have uncovered a number of relationships between the electrical activity of the brain and the mental activity. Another mechanic of thinking is cybernetic. Two scientists engaged in the development of high-speed electronic computers. Certain similarities between these artificial brains and human nervous system have become increasingly apparent. It has been suggested that the methods of study and analysis involved in computer engineering and experimental neurology are often identical. Derived from the Greek word meaning steersman, cybernetics is defined as the science of control and communication in the organism and machine. Concluding it, thus, thinking refers to the problem solving skill. It is a complex process. Over the period of time, many psychologists have studied the concept of thinking. In psychology, thinking is the process of consciously generating and manipulating ideas and thoughts of mind. Thank you, and I hope you liked it. Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel.